So this is a house that was built 18 years ago and begun sagging here and there. And one manifestation was that this door could not be closed. The top of the door kept hitting this top casing at this corner, and it kept sticking at this door at this corner. So what I tried to do to no avail was to sand this corner down, but I couldn't sand it down enough because this door is hollow. So if I sanded it down too much, it would just create an opening at this corner, which I felt would compromise the integrity of the door. And so the other thing that I thought I'd try is to just rehang this door a few millimeters down, but I couldn't do this by myself. I couldn't keep the door up while trying to screw it in a new position. So I hired a handyman for this job, and I learned a really neat trick, and I wanted to share this know-how with you that I learned from the contractor. So basically he came and he looked and he said, oh, this is really easy to fix. It seemed like he's done this before, and this solution I don't think is going to be appropriate for all doors that stick, but it would be a very easy fix for some doors. And I figure for those homeowners this would save a lot of time, money, and aggravation. So basically what he did was he took a screw that was a couple of inches long, and then he just started screwing the casing, screwing into it, and he kept screwing it until casing started moving up and up. And so you can see by this crack how much how far up the casing moved up. And the other thing he had to do was to adjust this this so that it actually he moved it up, move this up, and then I'm gonna paint this. And he started caulking, but I told him not to caulk. I told him I'm gonna just do it. I just wanted to show how far the top casing moved up, and I think he actually caused, by doing it, he caused this crack in the drywall over here. But that's okay. That's okay, because I think that can be easily covered up with paint. And so this was just a simple solution, just taking a screw and then just screwing the casing to, I guess, whatever frame, and it just kept moving it up. Anyway, I hope you try this and it works for you. And if you found this video informative, please subscribe.